Hi everyone. Welcome to this introductory lecture to Excel, one of the most popular spreadsheet programs used for data analysis and management. My name is Dr. Wendy Pierre. I have more than 20 years of experience in teaching Excel and science courses. I will be your guide and instructor for this lecture. Again, welcome to our course. Hello everyone, this is lecture number 4. Relative and absolute cell referencing. So basically, there are two types of referencing that we have in Excel. They are the two basic referencing style, that is relative and absolute. In relative referencing, this is basically the default referencing method in Excel. And in this method, the row and column reference can change when you copy a formula from one cell to another. The reference are adjusted relative to cell location, so they are adjusted relative to the new location. For an example, let's open the Excel. Here we have some values in the column A and some values in the column B. Let's say we want to add first. We want all of these and we want the result here. So we'll just do it for first two of them and we'll just do the relative referencing. So here, a 1 plus B1. So you can see that I just simply put a 1 plus B1. And what is relative referencing? When I'll drag it for the others, it will automatically add all of them. Now, you can see that just press enter. We have a 2 plus B2, a 3 plus B3, so it is relative to the location. It is adjusted relative to the location, and it is also called default referencing because it is a default method. So here you can see this formula that is changing. So yeah, this is the relative referencing. The second referencing is absolute cell referencing. And what we do in absolute cell referencing, we just simply put a $sign. This is when you copy a formula containing an absolute reference. The reference does not change. So to make it, you need to put a $sign. You need to put a $sign for the value that you don't want to change. All right, let's say we want this first value to be the same and we want to add all of these values. With only this cell, we do not need these values. We do not need these ones. So, what will we do? So here, for example, I'm writing equal to a 1 plus B1. Here we have done the simple addition, and when we will drag it, it will simply do the default referencing, that is relative referencing. But now we want this value to be changed, this column to be changed, and this column to be the same. So what will we do? We will just put a simple $sign here. Yeah, and then I'll drag it again. The values are changed. Now you can see that the first column is changing, but the second remains still same. So it means that we are adding this value and this value in the third one. We are adding this value in the fourth one. We are adding this value to this value. So in all of these values on all of these formulas, our A column is changing, whereas B columns remain same. So this is called absolute referencing. So these are two of the methods. This is the relative referencing because it is changing relative to the position or location. And this is the absolute referencing. Thank you guys for joining us for this lecture. See you guys in the next lecture. Ciao.
If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe now for expert tips, tutorials, and tricks to master Excel like a pro. Don't miss out. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe today. And hit the notification bell to be the first one to know when we release a new video. That is the only way you can support our community. May God bless you.